Hello guys. Today I'm right now gonna be making this video, but there's still the code. You can still get the free pets. I don't care, but I still got the hello. I have these rare huge pets. You're gonna see in the thumbnail. You're gonna see it in the thumbnail. But I actually got a few rare ones. I don't think you saw this huge dog I got from the last video. But I actually made a few billion level pets. Oh wait. Oh, I combined all of them. Don't worry guys. Don't worry. I'll give away a few I'll give you away some of my doubles. I'm not giving away my double noobs. Nope, you guys are crazy. I'll give away these. I'll give you the 2 billion level pet if you want it. I can give you one of the pumpkin cats. I'm gonna be. This is gonna be funny. Guys, comment down below where should I. Comment down below where should I be next video. Don't tell me to be in Area 51. You're crazy. I'm not going in there. I got a new skateboard for my new dog. Got a few good pets. I got this because I kept mixing pets together. I don't remember how. I got it yesterday. I got a few. Let me unbox. People are crazy. Look, they're stuck here for 24 hours. I feel like they've been here all day. Look, they won't stop. You guys should stop unboxing. Or stop. They want that pet right there. I'll show you. They want that big weird Green Reaper guy. The huge one I mean. Look, see how crazy they are? They're like, I want the cat and the Green Reaper. You can get that skateboard. I think it came out this year. This? Yeah, it did. The new Halloween cat skateboard. Okay. I'm gonna be... You are kidding me. Actually, I can get a few dark matter pets. Let's try getting a golden cat. I get the bat almost every time, so I'm giving away that. Yes! First try! I got another golden cat. I mean, golden pumpkin cat. Stop giving me. I will stop right there. Okay, good. We got a ghost cat. Alright, let's see if we can try unlocking the 3 pets that are on a few chances. We can get. Not the ones with the question mark chance. Because I already got one of them. This is crazy. I got 3 of these. And I combined 2 of them just to make the 2 billion level dragon. Well. Guys, comment down below your Roblox name. I will be giving away... No. By the end of this video, I'm gonna buy a bunch of golden pumpkin cats, and I'm gonna combine a few and make some rainbow versions. I want to make a rainbow version of the axolotl. It's like, but I'll show you guys a few rainbow versions. I made a few rainbow versions for the pets. Oh, finally I got the bunny. I actually got the white bunny and the one dog. I don't forget his name. I think his name is Dalmatian. He's the starter pet. Not the starter pet. He's a rare pet. Look. I forget the dragon. This guy. His name is... Yeah, I got this, and I got so lucky enough to get a rainbow version. I got this yesterday. I really want that. The golden happy rock. I actually got this one. Hell rock. I got the hell rock. But guys, I'm gonna come. I actually mined a hole. I did this for something funny. Whenever I look at him, he's making me want to. Alright, I might wanna. This one keeps giving me the same pet, so I'm gonna just open this for a few minutes. I might go just do something that you can hear me for a little bit. Thank you. We need a few bats. Give us a few bats. Please don't give us rares. I'll give you guys I'm gonna do some rare. You guys can still hear me? This is. I think you have 2 hours, I think. My game's glitching. You can hear it. You can glitching. You can hear weird sounds. Don't worry, guys. Well, I'm gonna play a little. I'm gonna wait until my phone's making a sound. An update. Alright, so I'm going back to the area. What did I get? Let's pause. Alright, we got another bat. Okay, we more got bats. Alright, let's keep going. If I get a big pet, I need a huge pet. I am gonna not give it away. I'm gonna keep. You guys are still allowed to. I'm gonna play a little bit of my Nintendo Switch for a few minutes. So like until I really get around. Until I hear a talk sound. I'm done with what I'm playing on my Nintendo Switch. Let's start with a P. I'll let you guys hear the game. Guys, it's gonna be so funny on New Year's Eve for this year. It's gonna be funnier than last year. This is gonna be better than last year. Last year was so dumb. You know what I did? Played a whole song for like 1 hour until I paused off and made another video for 8 hours. A whole 12-hour video of me. I'm gonna be in my room all day long until 12 a.m. and then I'm stopping the video. You guys might see my mom in the video. But don't worry. Burger. Oh, for Thanksgiving. It's daytime again. All of it is turkey. All of it. Oh, alright, let's check out. I never didn't look in, but that was quick. Alright, let's see. Alright, guys. Where's my other mic? Okay. Hi, alright, guys. So these are all the pets I'm giving away this year. I'm giving it away. I'm gonna only give you guys one each. You're kidding! You're kidding me! I got another one? I combined my both. You guys. Leave a comment down below if you want this. I am not giving away this because I'm turning it into a dark matter pet. So, I want the noob as mine. I don't know. I like deleting. I'm never giving away the cake, the hell rock. I'm giving away. I'm gonna give away only one pumpkin cat. I'm gonna save these 3 ones. I'm gonna see if I get some luck today. I want to kind of go with the cool guys in Pet Simulator X. How silly that was. Alright, we're coming back. Let's see. I think that's a good level pet. Some people have good pets. I don't like this one. You can turn your pet into golden. You have to get a lucky chance. And I hate that. So, you can make a few rainbow pets. You gotta go to mine. A big huge pumpkin! Oh my goodness. We should get a free pumpkin gift. Alright, I'm deleting one pet. I don't want. I have to, guys. I'm sorry. I have to delete you. Don't worry. I might get a free pumpkin thing to that card to get this guy right here. Got a few. I made this yesterday. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can make a few. Alright, let's do all 3. We might fail on this first. Kidding. This is why I hate sometimes what the game does. Let's go back to the town. I think every year you have to start all over. So I feel like a few YouTubers like Gravy, he already has his own pumpkin cat. I think a few years ago, he had a few big pets from his older accounts. Have you heard of Gravy? He's a weird cat dude. Yeah, I don't want to buy that. I'm gonna buy a few pumpkin cats. Give me another pumpkin cat. I want one. Yeah, that's a golden cat. Come on, give me 3 more. My kid's kind of not working. Yes, 4. Give me 2 more, and then I'm good. Yes, just 1 more. 1 more, and then I'm done. Come on, give us 1 more. Last one, I promise. I want to do that. Well, we could make a golden version. No, we already have that. Alright, I'm done. I'm getting away from that. Alright, but guys, you are lucky enough to win in another one of these. Just a few of these. I'm gonna get rid of the crappiest level they have. That's a crappy one. That's a crappy one. The other ones don't have crappy levels. 5. I think that's it. Just 2. Alright. That's a kind of crappy. We'll get rid of a few. We'll get rid of those that row. Now we're allowed to just put in a free pet. We get a few. I'm not doing it just because I want to get a rare pet. But you know what else? Some of these, I'm trying to get more pets to put in my... I'm not giving away any of my cool dark matter pets. I'm saving up all of my Billy level pets. I'm gonna give away these ghost ones. I promise. I'm gonna get a few more of those by next year. I'm gonna still be on this channel by 10. But right when I hit 20, when I'm 20 years old, I'm done making YouTube videos. I'm old enough now. You guys are gonna say, "Oh, really? That's fishing." Yeah, by 11 years. Because I have 11 years to have the channel for. About 11 years. Every year, my voice is gonna sound different, and the house is gonna look different every year. Wait until I'm a teenager. Don't leave dislikes and don't unsubscribe to me by the time I'm a teenager. I feel like I'm still gonna sound like I'm 9. I think by the time I'm 10, I'm gonna get just a little dark. Just a little small one. I'm not gonna take a teleporter. Yeah, I heard about. This is how I made my Dominus pet. Pet Simulator X, I want you to do this for me. This big, huge favor. How do I level up all of my dumb levels? This is my favorite one. I don't know how, but is this a rare pet? Comment down below if this is a rare pet in the game that people can't get anymore. Because I didn't know how I got it, so please don't fail this time. No, you kidding me? Alright, let's do 2. Oh, come on. Alright, last 2. Come on. Pet Simulator, you can't do that. That's dumb. You know what you need to do? It's way more better. All of your pets, instead they fail out and guess what happened? They turn ungold. Can you do that, Pet Simulator X, instead of deleting our pets? You can delete all of our pets we've made. Let's make the kind of some low levels. Low. Then we'll make 6 and see what we get. What did we make? Oh, that's good. Let's just make a few billion level 10. Guys, comment down below what type of big level I'm gonna get. Because you're gonna be a lucky winner just to put in your account, and I'm gonna. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a few billion level pets with you. Actually, let's make just a bunch of billion level pets and see what we made. And on the top, we made 3. Let's combine those 3. These make us a nice. Let's just keep combining all of them today. Oh wait, I'm gonna keep combining pets until I'm ready to have. If I have a training level pet, then I'm still keeping it with me. Ooh. I think I got a few of the same pets. I like my raccoon. I'm never getting rid of that. Alright, guys. So let's get around to big level. The house is still gonna stay here by a few years. Okay, we'll give it that. I think oh no, I got a dragon version. Alright. Done. This is the last time. Don't worry, guys. I will still buy more pets. Oh. Still, none of these pets have beat my number 2 best pets in the game. My very first big level pet. And my huge dog. It's a dog made out of diamonds. No one can have it. Yesterday, a bunch of people were asking for it. They're like, can I have this guy? I was like, what is wrong with these people? Hey, if you're a bacon hair, you're gonna get free. You don't need to. Watch. If I see a poor dude, I'm giving it. One more day? Do we have one more day? Watch these crazy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go buy a bunch of eggs for today. I'm gonna waste all of my candy on just the pets. But let's try unlocking more of those big, huge billion level pets. Let's get 3. I'll save the 3 for in the next few videos. Don't worry. Let's just keep unlocking these pets for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna end the video by. Oh, you kidding me? You're 100% kidding me. You're kidding me. See how crazy these people are? How about we'll give him one. One pet. We'll give him only one pet. Let's just make sure he doesn't. Alright, what's his name? Let me look for it. Okay, that's a weird name. He's up on the top. Alright, let's see. Alright, we'll give him away. We'll give him this. That's mine. Here we go. And we'll donate him 100 gems. Guys, I'm crazy. I'm gonna give him 1,000, not 100. I'm 100% sure. Even if I trade that one, I'm good. Because I already got a second one ring. Done. There you go, he gets it. There you go. Have fun. Oh, the poor guy. He's just sad. I'm gonna be doing nothing. Oh, my oh, what happened? Oh, I don't have enough money. Let's just keep buying. Come on, are you kidding me? Everyone calls me Mexico because I really like the country Mexico. The country might hate me about. So this is in the last video, but I think about the country. It's gonna. Alright, guys. I'm gonna keep unlocking a few pets, and I might run out of a bunch of candy. And I'm just gonna keep playing the game. Alright, we don't have enough money. Let's go break a few more eggs and see what we got. Oh, I didn't look at a Alright, let's see what we got. Look at all the new ones I have. Look at all of them. They're so cool. Alright, but bye guys. Thank you. Oh wait, I forgot. Scan this QR code and you can be getting 30,000 food, 30,000 gold, and a zombie pet. So bye.